Ciao. Hello from a very rainy Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Tonight we're going to do something that sounds like a lot of fun. We're going to be going through the city on a food tour on the back of a motor scooter.
Hello!
Hey everybody, this is our new friend Navi. She's going to take us on the scooter. We're not going to crash, right?
Yeah, we're going to take you go around the city and we are going to enjoy the local food here.
YouTube will be very mad if I die, so no crashing.
No, you're going to still alive after the tour today, trust me.
Alright, sounds
okay,
good.
Let's see.
Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's go.
Excuse me. Before the tour, you have any food allergy?
No, no food allergies.
No food allergy. Everything.
Everything.
Okay, even the snake?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. But the first stop, we're gonna try the Vietnamese pancake. Have you ever heard about it?
I heard about it. I have not had it yet.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you later.
Looking forward to it.
Okay. That's so funny. So now we are still in District 1. Do you know how many districts in Saigon?
7?
No.
No? How many districts?
10 million population and 24 districts.
24, wow.
Yeah, so every single district they have specific thing. Like District 1 is for foreigners. So you see a lot of the fancy hotel, nice restaurant, and a lot of white people.
Yes.
This is a rush hour. Everyone come home from work.
Yeah, I think I picked a bad time.
From 4 to 7 p.m. And you know why we have much more? Because we don't have the good transportation. In Thailand they have the subway around the city. Here
Right.
we don't have. No, we do have the first one, but it's still under construction. It's gonna finish in this year.
And this is our first stop for some bun xiao. Let's have a seat. There's the kitchen.
So come, let's show you
Okay,
the
let's
kitchen.
take a look.
See the owner. See the owner.
The owner, thank you for having us. Thank you. All right, let's check out the kitchen.
Dạ để con nói. Ở bên tiểu bang Miami á.
See,
Yeah, Miami á.
these people are amazing.
The kitchen, yes. You see the batter here? It's made from the main ingredient from the rice flour. Dạ đó. Dạ đặc biệt rice flour and the coconut water.
Coconut water, rice flour.
And they put the topping inside like the seafood, the eggs, the mushroom, the bean sprout, and the little green bean. Do you know green bean?
Yes.
Yeah, the small one inside it. That's it.
Okay. This is almost like a Vietnamese taco.
A lot of people say the same thing. Yeah. If you have a chance to go to the center of Vietnam, they have the smaller size. It's
Oh, okay.
exactly like taco.
Okay.
Okay.
This. Wow, amazing.
And I can see put some secret recipe, but I don't know what is that. But
This lady is the master bun xiao maker. She's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pans going at the same time. All right, well, let's go sit down and wait for our food. Bun
bánh
xiao.
xèo. Bánh is mean like we call anything from rice flour is bánh.
Bun.
Bánh mì, bánh xèo, bánh bèo, bánh bột lọc, a lot of bánh.
Bun xiao, not bun xiao.
Okay, bánh xèo.
You say it the right way.
And xèo is mean like when you put on a pan, it's a sizzle sounding.
Okay.
So that's how we call bánh xèo, like xèo.
Salad on a plate.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. Okay.
Okay, you know what we're gonna do with all the veggie here? Okay, I will give you every single one and you smell and try to tell me the name.
I know you have. I know there's one that tastes like fish.
Okay, let's see which
Is
one.
that this one? Okay. Let's see.
Do you like wine or something?
That tastes like mint. Well, a little sweet. Hennessy. That's it.
Licorice.
Licorice.
Yeah.
You're right. Black licorice.
Okay. Next one. This one. Do you like mango?
A little bit sour.
Mango leaf.
Mango leaf.
Yeah,
Really?
young mango leaf.
Wow, I didn't know you could eat mango leaf. Yeah, a little bit. It's like sour.
Yes. And here, do you like sashimi?
Looks like Barilla.
Barilla,
Barilla.
Rasman, sesame leaf. This
Okay.
is in Japan, they put a sashimi on.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next one is. Okay, tell me. Which one is mint and which one is basil?
This is basil.
Okay, this one. Try.
No, mint.
So the purple tree is basil. This one basil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this the fish leaf? It does taste a little bit like fish.
Yeah, this is fish meat fish leaf.
That's very strange.
You don't have it in America.
No, we don't have that in America. Very strange. to have
No,
a-
they just leave.
All right, it's here. The main event. Yeah, bun xiao.
Bánh xèo, yeah.
Bun xiao. Let's say it the right way. Okay. So.
You want some chili? We will put some chili on.
Yeah, sure. Gotta have some chili.
Okay, you want to see what I put in here?
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. So that mung beans.
Bean, mushroom, shrimp, prawn, and sweet. Sweet. You see?
So, oh yeah.
Sweet. Yeah.
Squid.
And you know how do we eat this?
No. Let's see. How do I know we wrap it up.
Oh, yes.
Let's you show me the right way.
Okay. You get the big leaf, some lettuce, some meat. You like fish?
Yes. Sure.
Small first. Mango. Everything on here. Hey.
Okay, and then we wrap it up, right?
Yeah. Whatever. First one. And you need to hold it tight at the first beginning. Sorry, yeah. I don't know how to cook well, so
That's okay. You're doing just fine. Okay. First, before I dip it, we try it without.
you dip it here, dip it here.
Okay.
We dip in the
Oh, no,
sauce.
you want to dip. Okay.
Right.
All right. Wow. That's so good.
A lot of flavor, right?
Yeah, that's delicious.
In Vietnam, delicious is ngon,
Oh,
N-G-O-N,
oh,
ngon.
well. That in. Wow, very unique. How much does this cost?
Okay, for now we in this street food is this is one of the local street food. So for this one is only about 80,000 Vietnam dong. So it's about $3.5.
$3.50 for that.
But if you you have the same thing like this in District 1, in District Center, you're gonna pay maximum of 150,000. So it's about 6 or 7 US dollars.
What district are we in now?
Now we're in District 3. You can see on here.
Oh, okay.
Q.3 is mean District 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
This is the Bangkok. Actually, it's quite similar this one, but she make the smaller size.
Oh, okay.
This is make the smaller size, and she's gonna have the coconut sauce on it.
Oh, okay.
This one we call Bangkok.
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 Okay, so it's rice flour with shrimp and meat inside. Okay. Very good. All right, next one. She keeps feeding me. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through the night. All right, we're finished here. Time to move on to the next spot. Let's go. It's crazy on these roads. Yeah, you got this guy just backing up into the traffic. People just go where they want.
Yeah. Just follow to the flow.
All right. All right, we're heading down some back street here.
Yes. And we will turn inside this small alley here. Very small. Một người duy nhất à. Trời ơi vui vậy. YouTuber đi với tôi hôm nay.
So we have our
The first one, they have the English.
oh, there's the menu.
Yeah, the menu. So for me,
Hutio.
Hotil, yeah, the name of the noodles.
Hotio.
Mix and call it try.
Okay.
So for me, the menu Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, Friday, and Sunday. And different thing every day.
You come here a lot?
Yes. Soya sauce. You like the satay, chili,
Sure.
some chili. This one made from the chili, garlic,
I had
lemongrass, and a lot of
I love it. Can't get enough.
Vinegar.
Vietnam satay,
The satay.
chili.
Delicious.
Chú cho được lên kênh của này luôn. You wanna be on your channel?
Trên nào là có
Cái
tiếng
kênh,
lắm á.
có cái kênh YouTube
Very
luôn.
good luôn á. Thank you.
Thank you.
Người Mỹ đó.
Come on.
Cảm ơn. Pháp Vietnamese. Cảm ơn.
Come on. I only know 2 words. I know
Yeah.
Xin chào and
Xin
come
chào.
on.
Xin chào.
Tu local.
That's right.
Đúng rồi, 2 cái thôi.
Right. People in Vietnam are so friendly.
Yeah.
Oh, and here is the sauce.
You are the best.
Thank you.
Vô giỏi ghê. Đúng nói chỉnh vô trời, the best luôn. Phát âm ghê thiệt chứ.
Right.
The sauce, and now I'm gonna mix it up. Then, here we have some pickled garlic.
Oh, pickled garlic.
You like
Okay.
pickled garlic?
Yes,
Okay.
everything.
I'm gonna put some in here first. And then you
The only thing I'm not sure about is snake.
mix it up.
Okay. All right, let's eat.
Oh yeah. You can put on
Yeah,
the
better tripod. Do you dip it in the soup or do you eat the soup separately?
yes.
Separately. right?
Separately.
Okay. All right, well, let's try it.
You need to take the soup first
Oh,
to
okay.
warm up your shower.
okay.
And then the noodles. Separately.
That's delicious.
The central is more spicy, and today you are in the south, so every single food we always put a little bit sugar, so that's why you feel the sweet.
Cho nó chọn. Bạn biết rồi.
Để các con trộn kỹ lên cho.
Vì là có đó.
You need to visit some. Let's me help you, huh?
Bạn lấy chén kìa.
Để con cho vô luôn, con cho luôn.
I didn't do a good job mixing.
Con nhớ nó chọn cho tô lại.
Navi's correcting me. Come on.
Enjoy.
Okay, so we got, this is
Pork.
pork.
Yeah. I have some bean sprout here.
got the shrimp.
Green shrimp.
And
Yeah.
the shrimp, I think it's common to have the shell or the tail on it. These little baby shrimp. Are so good. The pork skin, everything is really delicious. Wow. The crispy pork skin.
I
That's,
love it. Whatever.
dried garlic, pork crackling, minced pork. That's so good. All right, so now we are walking from that place down to a Market Street.
So I tell you, this is the Cambodian market. The story behind that, we have our Cambodian refugee moved and lived here for a long time. And at the first beginning, they got nothing, they got no job. So they organized the market like this, but in the morning time, it's the wet market. So they are only selling the raw meat, the raw veggie. But at night time, after 2 p.m., it turned into the street market like.
You know, the snails are popular. Auk.
Yeah, snail very popular here and octopus.
Yeah.
Snail.
Okay.
But you know that snail, she gonna steam it. She take it out,
Yeah.
slice it with pork,
And put it-
mushroom, and
put it back in.
Yeah, put it back
That's Vietnamese escargot.
in. Chicken feet.
Chicken feet.
It's very popular snack for the local student. Rice paper mixed with spicy and salted. That's it.
Oh, good.
Very popular here.
I see thistle. A
Very big snail.
What these is that
Green pepper.
green pepper? Okay.
Yeah. You know, in Vietnam we have very good pepper here.
Okay. Yes.
Sea urchin.
I don't know why, but all Vietnamese food is looking like tacos now.
Do you know this one? I have no idea.
That looks like a
They told me this is a sea ball. I don't know sea ball what is it. Sea urchin.
yeah,
Spider
sea urchin.
crab.
I see it has eggs. All right, we are at the next stop. We're gonna have Vietnamese pizza, right?
Yes, we're gonna have the Vietnamese pizza.
What's it called?
Bánh tráng nướng. Bánh tráng.
Bánh tráng nướng.
Bánh tráng is the rice paper. Nướng is grill on the charcoal.
Okay. We're gonna make it on this charcoal grill. That's
She mix up the egg. Egg. With minced pork, onion, corn, butter, and then she's gonna put some shrimp here and sausage on, and this one the pork floss, chicken floss. sorry.
Chicken floss.
Yeah, chicken floss. So mix up everything.
looks good.
And now. Mạ thôi. Nhà bên kia là phải đắp mặt nạ sống à. Mày nấu có nở lỗ chân không? Mắt tao. So put the rice paper on sesame rice paper. Some shrimp sauce to make it soft. Cái dẫn tay ngày nào cũng lại đây kém tí là về đắp mặt nạ luôn. Giờ da bao đẹp luôn. So put some cheese on it. Cheese.
Okay.
Yeah, cheese on it. Chicken flour.
All right, so we're sitting on the little stool here.
Lady first. Try it. Lady first.
Thank you very much.
Will he
Come on.
get some drink for you? It's crispy.
It is like a pizza.
Yeah, and nice.
A little on the sweet side, but good.
Got lots of ingredients and quite
Yeah.
on it.
Little sausage on there, corn. That's very good. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
Giao đợi chưa?
Không.
Ok ok.
Nó mang vô cái chị mới hỏi là có em
All right.
ở
So
đó.
so what's this?
Ngán rồi đó. This one. So this one we're gonna try name. Name is mean the beef with the lemongrass.
Oh,
That's how we call this.
Beef.
it's
Beef.
beef
Yes.
wrapped around
Yes.
lemongrass.
And the green one is the beef with the petal leaf. I don't think you can have
No.
petal leaf.
No, not
It's just
pickle.
like the local petal leaf here, and this is the only one way we can use for this.
Ah, okay.
And here is the sauce. They when they marinate the beef and just take it out and
Mm.
cook with some spine.
Okay.
Let's try. This the lemongrass is only for the flavor, so I will take it out.
Yes. Right.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Thank you.
Nice.
So you have so many things to try tonight. The rest get full very early.
Yes.
Right.
So you're taking it out and just eating.
I have never been to any
I eat the
country
same
yet.
food
Oh,
every
really?
day.
That's
No,
well. Your English
we just eat
is so good. It sounds native Australian.
Thank you so much. I started learning English at an American coffee shop.
Really?
Yes. You are? Very good.
Wow. Thank you. Very beefy.
Chị có cần cái thằng gieo?
Đây, chị có rồi, để mới lấy rồi, ấy đi.
Yeah. Area.
All right. So apparently we're going to the gangster area to check out the Cambodian flower market.
We also do some this together. Let's try more. Yes. Experience. Experience.
Yeah, this is the wholesale
She
flower
used,
market.
you know, she was scared.
Wow. A lot of flowers here.
See, a lot of flower.
This is a bad place if you have allergies.
Big mistake. You know, in Vietnam, if the guy gives you the flower with no reason, they make a mistake. You film it?
This is crazy.
Now.
All right, we're at the seafood restaurant place.
The big snail.
Oops.
He's the owner.
Giant snail. This guy is the Vietnamese Mr. T.
This is where they are.
All right, so now we're having some scallops.
So the first dish is just come. So this is scallops. Scallops is peanuts on charcoal.
How do you say it in
It's Vietnamese.
yeah?
So we call this one sha dip.
Sha dip dun.
Yes. Mahan is it's a mix. It's a combination of oil and green.
All right, so this is the thing in Vietnam is beer with ice. Don't usually put ice on beer on ice, and
Oh, you don't put ice on it?
we don't do that in the U.S. So.
No,
It's sort of cold. Semi. Yeah.
Yes.
Some scallop.
Yes. Don't eat the shell.
That's delicious.
So for this snail, you excrete the baguette, red. Yes. Yes. All right. Right here. You can leave this one here a bit. And with the spoon, you have to check it. Right, use bare hand.
Don't drop off. Oh.
And so you go.
All right, what's this called?
Giờ mỗi người múc cái súp thì ăn thử nào. Muốn to.
There's clams. Got some lemongrass in there.
All right.
Cái muỗng nhỏ thì nó sẽ bị phỏng tay á.
Yes.
This one. Try to.
See lemongrass. What does this cost someone coming? What does this cost someone coming to eat here?
Yeah.
You guess how much?
I'm gonna guess for all three and the beer, 400,000.
Good guess.
Good.
Yes, good guess. 400,000.
Okay.
Đúng luôn, cái này là từ 60, 120, 120, cái này chị nhớ hình như 150 hay 160 gì đó này mắc là 300 với bia với nước ngọt ok. Good guess.
Lucky guess. All right, so let's try the clam.
You can dip to the sauce for me.
Đây chị làm cái sauce bên nhà thành lắm.
That's such a nice, clean, clammy taste.
Con này chắc không ăn cay. Now you get it.
Check it out. There you are.
It's quite good. Okay, this is the king of this street. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Everything was delicious.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
Before they do the business, we have money.
All right, we're heading to our last stop, stop number 4.
Yes, we're gonna have the dessert is coconut ice cream.
Coconut ice cream. All right, back into the crazy traffic.
Back in the crazy. Well done.
Good job.
They don't get angry.
I want to point out that Navi is doing all this crazy driving while wearing Crocs. All right, we're gonna get some dessert now.
Yes. So our last food today, we're gonna enjoy the coconut ice cream. But you know now we're in the place. The first item the owner he wanna selling is coconut ice cream, and it get more popular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Okay, perfect. All right, we've got our coconut ice cream. What do we have there? We have coconut ice cream. There's corn,
Corn, egg, and the sticky rice.
sticky rice, and
Peanut. And,
peanuts, and a Pirulina cookie.
I think fresh dry coconut. Oh no, dry coconut meat.
Okay,
And dry.
What's
and
this? Is just
coconut water.
coconut water. Okay. Wow. And it's all in a coconut.
Yeah.
All right, let's try
Try.
this.
Try it, try.
Wow. That's super coconutty.
Super coconut.
It's got coconut meat,
They had a
coconut meat
Yeah.
inside,
Yeah.
and the sticky rice. Wow, that's very good. All right, thank you so much, Navi. It was an awesome trip. Taught me so much. We made it back alive in one piece.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your coming with me today, and hope you have a nice time in Saigon. And
Yes, you helped. It was wonderful. Thank you so much for the
thank
food
you.
tour.
Bye bye, guys.
All right, everyone who comes to Saigon, call Navi.
Yes.
I'll put her contact information in the description of the video. All right.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Bye bye.